for a sleek, modern curtain style that fits perfectly into your Dubai home? Welcome to Blackout Curtain.a, where we specialize in wave curtains. The most elegant and functional window treatment of 2025. Here's why buying wave curtains from us is the best decision you'll make for your space. Tailored fit for modern interiors. Wave curtains offer clean, flowing lines and a soft ripple effect that's perfect for Dubai's luxury homes and contemporary apartments. At Blackout Curtain.a, we tailor every curtain to fit your windows precisely, whether it's a panoramic wall of glass or a compact bedroom opening. Premium fabric selection. Choose from our curated range of premium blackout sheer and linen look fabrics, all UV resistant and designed to withstand Dubai's strong sunlight. We offer textures and tones that complement marble floors, modern furniture, and warm neutral palettes. Smooth gliding track system. Our wave curtain tracks are sleek, durable, and whisper quiet, installed with precision by our expert team. They ensure effortless gliding, whether manual or motorized, perfect for high ceilings and luxury spaces. Smart home integration. Want to control your curtains with a remote or voice command? We offer motorized wave curtain systems that connect to your smart home setup, ideal for modern villas and apartments in Dubai. Fast turnaround and professional installation. From on-site measurement to final installation, our team handles everything. We deliver fast, professional service across Dubai, no delays, no mess, no stress. If you're ready to upgrade your home with elegance and ease, trust Blackout Curtain.a, Dubai's trusted name for quality window solutions. Contact us today for a free consultation, and let's design something stunning together.